Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to use undo function in Asana. So you can see this is the main interface of Asana. All the options are available here, but now we will begin our topic. So first of all, you can see on left side we will click on my tasks. So now new tab is appear. So now we will click on add task. Now type here the name of task. Just I am typing the random name of my task. So you can also type according to your choice. So now you can see I have added. Now click on these three dots, click on delete task. Now you can see this is delete. Now under this undo option, click on undo. Now you can see this is back. So now we will again click on delete task. Now you can see again, now you can undo this task. So this is the easiest way to use undo function in Asana.